Hi there, this is Assis. I'm one of the co-founders and COO of echowin, and I'm with Kaushal.
Hi, my name is Kosal. I also go by Kay. I'm the other co-founder and the CEO of the company. We're here at our office and we're about to dive into some questions we get from agencies.
Our platform echowin is dedicated for builders who are building voice AI agents, phone agents, and chatbots that can automate business operations, including customer service and internal communications. And today, we're going to dive into different questions our agency partners have. With that, I'm going to ask a few questions to Kaushal. Here's the first one. What kind of options do agencies have when it comes to working with echowin?
echowin has a few different options for agencies. One option we have is a full white label platform. You will be able to get a fully branded and customized operating system for your agency, where you can build agents for your customers, and they'll be able to log into your own portal with your own domain name, with your own branding, and they'll be able to access most of the features you get on the echowin platform. So that's a white label. We also have a similar gray label option where you won't have the branding, but all of the other options are there. And the third option is the partnership route. This is where we do revenue sharing partnership. You will still use the main echowin platform, but you will get revenue share for all the clients that you bring into the program. I do want to mention that with the agency platform, you get all sorts of agency management features where you'll be able to manage multiple sub accounts, look at analytics, and there's a lot more. So we'll dive into that here in a second.
Since you're already on it, let me just ask, what are the different types of agency features that you get with the agency plan?
With the agency plan, you get a sub-account management. You will be able to add unlimited sub-accounts under your agency umbrella. Even if you just wanted to give someone a quick demo account that they could try out, that's really easy with the agency platform. You also get at-a-glance analytics, so you'll be able to see how many calls your clients are making, what kind of credit usage they're going through, and all sorts of details. We also make it really easy for you to deploy agents to your sub accounts. You can create agents under your account, refine them. Maybe you're serving the insurance industry, for example. You can create and refine one agent that's really well suited for that use case. And then every time you add a new sub account under your account, you can just quickly clone that over. You also get super admin access to all of your sub accounts. I really like this feature because you can quickly dive into the control panel for your clients and you'll be able to do all sorts of things like they would do on their end. On top of that, we do provide a dedicated priority support. Typically, we'll have a one-to-one contact point directly with our engineers and team members so that if your clients have any questions, especially related to the technology and the platform, you can quickly reach out to us. Team management is included with the platform. So for every sub-account, imagine you onboard a Jiffy Lube location, they might have a general manager, they might have a few other team members who might want access to the portal, right? So you'll be able to add as many team members as needed.
Perfect. In terms of working with echowin, what are the responsibilities of agencies and what are the different things that echowin team handle?
Great question. As an agency working with echowin, it will be your responsibility to build and maintain client relationships. That includes bringing them on board, onboarding them to the portal, building the solution for them, and just maintaining that over time. Now, of course, we will be part of the journey, but you will be the first line of defense when it comes to support queries as well. If it is a technical query, we will have our dedicated team that you'll be in close contact with that will help you throughout the process. On top of that, we will obviously provide you with technology, the platform that you can use to build these AI agents with, right? And it'll be our duty to maintain that platform, upgrade it as needed, and make sure everything works end to end.
Yeah, and in case you have unique use cases, we have the industry know-hows of how different agents work in different scenarios, and we'll happily share that with you and help you build those solutions.
Yeah, when it comes to best practices and things like that, we'll definitely help you out.
So one of the questions that we constantly get asked is, how does your billing work? So how does the billing system work?
Yeah, we don't want to dictate how your business model works. Again, every agency might have a different business model, right? For that reason, we give you full flexibility in terms of how you bill your clients. We've seen agencies that package the voice agent offering with their other offerings. Let's say if you're already doing digital marketing and want to package in an AI receptionist, for example, that's definitely an option. You can always bundle things together and provide that to your clients. You can charge them per call, just kind of like how we charge you. So we don't really dictate the business model. The only transaction we have between us and you is you're liable for paying the total sum of uses incurred by all of your clients.
Yeah, that's when actually a lot of our agency partners, they ask us, How do I see the billing and limits for different accounts and different
Mhm.
sub accounts? Can you do that within the platform?
Yeah, we do give you all sorts of visibility tools to let you see how your sub accounts are using the platform. So you'll be able to see things like how many credits they use, how many minutes they use, and all sorts of analytics so that billing is easier on your end. We typically see our agency partners using tools like Stripe, PayPal, or whatever else you might be using to bill your clients already. So yeah, I hope that answers that question.
Yeah. Let's jump to a different question. So, in terms of white label, does echowin branding appear where my clients see, touch, and feel different parts of the platform?
That's a great question. The quick answer is no. We have gone above and beyond to make sure that echowin branding does not show up on your white label platform because we want your clients to feel like they're directly interacting with your platform. This is why all the emails that go out, they contain your branding, your logo. Overall, it's fully branded under your own branding.
Yeah. And once again, white label is a great way to establish your own business. But at the same time, we have a lot of agency partners that want to partner with us. They want to use us as a established brand. At this point, echowin is an established brand in the industry. We've been around for 3.5 years. You don't have to do white label. You can do gray label.
Mhm.
And then having that echowin branding is actually your superpower.
Yeah.
So a lot of people ask us, how do I get started?
To get started with one of our agency plans or to join our partner program, go to our website and you'll find a link to the white label option under products on the menu. Go there and you'll find the right way to get started.
All right, let's get to building.
Awesome.